Spy Spot Investigations installs camera systems for homes and offices. We have 4-channel DVRs, 8-channel, and 16-channel DVRs. That means it can support up to 16 cameras. This is a 4-channel DVR. Basically, you connect each camera to the DVR system. It uses a BNC connector, and then you also power each camera with a power supply. So the camera has 2 cables hanging out of it. One end goes into the DVR with the BNC connector, and then the other end goes into a 110 using the power. And then the DVR has an HDMI cable that connects to a TV monitor, so you could watch it on your TV. And it also, if you want to be able to watch it from your phone, it has an Ethernet cable to connect it to the internet as well. Our cameras are 1080p high definition. They have night vision. They have a really wide angle. You can monitor them on your phone, and you could also play back all the recordings from the DVR. DVRs could store about 2 months of recordings, and then you could overwrite itself when the memory is full, so it just keeps going. The DVR does have options where you could play back recordings by selecting a certain time. You could also zoom in and show one camera, or you could show as many cameras as you want on the screen as well. You can contact Spy Spot Investigations by phone or email for a free estimate. You can schedule a consultation and someone will come out to your home or office and provide you a quote.